Hey you guys, today's Friday and I thought I would kind of just migrate this vlog into a big spring cleaning type of vlog, and I thought that I would just kind of take you guys along with me on what I do on my Friday. So Fridays are my day off, and I really like to prioritize one day in the week to really just kind of like reset and almost like a cleaning, like Sunday cleaning type of thing. But I like to do it on Friday because it's my day off, and I also use it as a kind of like wellness, like check-in on myself. So I spent the first half of the morning, it's almost like 11 now, cleaning and just reorganizing my room, dusting and doing that type of stuff. And I just had bags full of stuff. My car is a mess. And I feel like towards the end of the week, like I don't know how it seriously gets like that. I'm trying to be a little bit better at being more organized, which I've gotten better, but I just feel like it needs like a good refresh. And so I just feel like it makes me feel better. Cleaning makes me literally just feel, it's so therapeutic to me. I've really come to learn to love it because it just makes my brain feel much more at ease. So with that being said, I thought I'd kind of share and inspire you guys to also clean your own space. Make sure you're keeping up with the things that you're doing at your house and in your environment, wherever you are, because I know when my room is a mess and my car and my purse are a mess, I've heard that before. If your closet, your purse, and your car is a mess, then you're a mess. So we're gonna clean those three things. I did my purse the other day. I took everything out of it, redid it, recluttered it, changed everything in it, got a new purse for spring, and it literally just feels, I feel 3,000 times lighter just from doing my purse. So I'm like, I need to feel this way with my room and my closet and my car. So I thought I'd share with you guys a little bit about that. And I'm just doing some editing right now, just on my computer and doing some like admin work and stuff. So it's been my morning, a pretty slow morning. It was kind of my day off to work out, although I kind of want to do a little Pilates workout and go for a walk because it's beautiful outside. The sun is just very bright and it's really pretty, so I wanted to get some fresh air and kind of just like throw in some things that make me feel better and kind of just like a little wellness video. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And first things first, when I wake up, I read my Bible and I read my devotional right here, which is Jesus is Calling. I'm obsessed with this devotional, you guys. I truly think you need one. You need a devotional, just a little passage to start your day off, and a notebook, because I journal to God, and that is the first thing that makes me feel better and back on track whenever I fall. And I'm sure that I'm not the only one who struggles with procrastination and just like starting to feel like you're a little bit in a rut. I want this video to encourage you to get out of a rut and just do things that make you feel good and fill you up. And the first thing I would ever recommend is prayer, spending time with Jesus, just lighting a candle, turning off all the noise, putting your phone in a different room, and just closing your eyes and praying to God, or just praying to Him while you're going for a walk. You could do it in whatever way you find that solitude best. And I just think that that makes your life instantly, I mean, anytime you're in the presence of God, you just feel an overwhelming of peace, because Jesus is peace. So obviously I'm going to include that because I'm a Christian, and this is what really is going to help you. And I would be lying if I said that it wouldn't. So spend time with Jesus, read the Bible, light a candle, something that's going to make, that's what I like to do. At least I like to light a little candle and just spend some time with Him and do that, so it makes me feel good. So I did that this morning. I do it every morning, but I did it this morning and I didn't rush, and it feels really good. So sorry, I'm like wondering if I have dust or something in my nose. But anyways, I also got a package from Rhode because I ordered the face wash and I ran out of my peptide glazing fluid and all that stuff, so I ordered that, and I'm gonna do a review on TikTok. So you guys can follow me on TikTok as well. I post videos there, kind of daily vlogs, little encouraging things about this, and just daily vlog lifestyle, health and wellness, beauty, skin, all that stuff there too. So you guys can follow me on TikTok. And yeah, let's finish. I'm getting a podcast up right now. There's Nick. But I'm getting a podcast video up right now that I had to get up, which I recorded and posted. I edited it. It's not that long this time. It's only 30 minutes, which I think some of you will like, because personally when I have like a 30-minute drive, I like them to be a little bit shorter. So that one's really good. It's all about how to actually have a relationship with Jesus. You want to start a relationship with Jesus, but you don't know how. I think it's up. Yeah, here we go. So it says you want to start a relationship with Jesus, but how? Tips on how to actually start today. Healthy living. So this is really going to help you guys. If I could encourage you to watch anything, it's my podcasts. I just started opening the channel for it to be with video, which is pretty cool because I wasn't doing that before, and I feel like if I put my face to it, it just makes it that much better. So I can link it on the screen. My podcast is called Love Sis. You can find it on Apple and Spotify, and I think you guys will really like it. And then this is just a little makeup video that I filmed. I filmed a lot this week. Now this one is 38 minutes. I talked a lot in this video, but it's really good, you guys. It's about purity, porn addiction. It's exposing the darkness of the devil. It's just like really good. It's about purpose. It's about how I found worth in Jesus, but it's also showing you the best makeup products for really glowy skin, but like how to be confident. Like it's just really good. Like how to be beautiful from the inside out. So I think you guys will like that as well. And then this is my little spring cleaning vlog that you guys are probably gonna really enjoy. I'm just gonna finish editing this type of stuff, and I will show you guys kind of how I clean and everything. So here's me cleaning, and to be honest, I feel like cleaning has just been such a journey for me. I didn't grow up the most organized, and I definitely wasn't always someone who picked up after myself, and I don't have shame in saying that because we all grow. But I really admire just, you know, cleaning and then afterwards having such an organized space. I know that when my space is organized, my mental health and my brain is more organized. So even if it's something you don't want to do, I really recommend you not procrastinate it. I know we all want to sometimes, but just get it done. It takes more time to procrastinate something than it does to just do the thing. And I think that that's really been a big change in my life the past year, is just really trying to be more organized and take better care of my stuff. Muscle and athletic performance, improve and better communication. So another thing that I really love doing is cooking and cooking from home. So I'm 100% Italian, and my family obviously has revolved its whole entire life around cooking. So obviously at a younger age, I thought, why not I pick it up and learn myself how to cook. And I think cooking is honestly so much simpler than people make it out to be. I don't even really use like measurements that much when I cook, and I find it very creative, so I don't put a lot of pressure on myself when I cook, and I just know I like my food with flavors. And if you like good things, then you're gonna want to cook because you're gonna want to eat good. So it's my little tip for you if you're curious about cooking. But I'm just making a nice big fresh salad. I feel like this goes hand in hand with wellness, mental health, and just feeling your best and being your best for God and doing the purpose that He's called you to be and do. And it starts also with feeding our temple with the right foods. I have definitely been too over the top with health and different types of stuff like non-dairy, gluten-free, all that stuff. I think do what works for you, but for me, everything in moderation has worked greatly for me. So I like going on walks because I feel like they're just very therapeutic, and I'm taking my little dog Teddy. Come on. And I like to just get fresh air throughout the day, whether it's in between work or just in general, because it just honestly is such a mood booster. And when the sun is out, I literally like prioritize going for a walk into my schedule. So that is a little tip. I just love like the scenery in my town. I just walk on the sidewalk. Come on. And it's just so pretty. So this is something I do to clear my head and help my mental health, and I think it could also help you. So yeah, definitely love going for walks. I also love just admiring the beauty of nature and kind of just letting myself like see how God has created everything, and I just think that it's so beautiful. So this was me just admiring this tree. Came to see Nani, and she altered some dresses that I had.
That Jesus, that the Bible calls us sheep.
This is for you.
Oh my gosh, an apron? I just bought one myself in Italy.
Pasta.
And the sheep of his
Like
pasture.
all kinds of pasta.
And then,
Pretty
John
color.
10,
Oh my
very
gosh,
famous, but
they're
then I'll go
cooking.
to verse 11. Verse 10 says, the
Look
thief
at
does
that.
not come except to steal,
Yeah.
kill, and
Nest.
I
destroy.
got to, I don't know which one you want. One for you, one for today. This has got everything. The gondola Venice,
Oh, the
so
little
the
keychain.
Which is the
yeah, little
name
kitchen.
of our series and the name of our devotional.
Also just
I
part
am
and
I like
the
this
Venice.
shepherd.
Yeah, okay.
The good shepherd gives his life for the sheep. And
So
verse 14 here
cute. I love
repeats,
that.
This has got
I am
every.
the good shepherd. Now here's
The
what I want
tower?
to say about
Yeah.
this.
So spending time with family is definitely going to be another thing that's going to make you feel your best. In the Bible, it tells us that to love our neighbors as ourselves, and to me that means being a servant-hearted person, and also just spending time with people that I love. Spend time with the people that you have around while you have them, and I think that that's going to be a tremendous big thing in your life that's going to add a lot of love and make you feel your best. So I think above all of these tips and these things that do help enhance, make us feel our best, I do think at the bottom root of it all, if you don't know who you are in Christ, if you're not rooted in your identity and accept who you are, and you don't find worth from within, I don't think any of these are really going to help much. Just add on things to make you feel your best. But with that all being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that these were just little tips that you gained some knowledge about, and I hope that you guys have the most blessed day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!